everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video about new makeup releases by Sephora Tower 28 Beauty. Tower 28X Kung Fu Panda for Cream Blush plus Lip Gloss Kit. This price is $28. A limited edition Lunar New Year kit with 2 full-size bestsellers, including BeachPlease Cream Blush in a new and exclusive shade, and a non-sticky lip jelly. BeachPlease Cream Blush. Tap and blend with fingertips onto cheeks and lip tip. Use a brush for a more diffused effect. And layer for a bolder color. Shine on Milky Jelly Gloss. Swipe on over bare lips. Or over your favorite lip color for soft, glossy lips. If you like today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel. And press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.